So today we will be making some farm animals like a cat, dog and pig. And enlarge it a bit. This side. This way. Pussycat, purr, purr, purr. Cutting one. I hope you enjoyed making these farm animals and Mr. Fox. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, if you remember, we made some origami animals, and today, as I mentioned, we are going to make 2 origami houses and 2 origami boats of different types. So, I'm sure you're ready with your papers, and let's get started. So, first, to make one of the 2 houses, we will need only one paper. So, let's begin. To half, edge to edge, and another half. Squeeze, and now let's open it slowly up. Now take this edge and fold it to the middle line this way, and the same with the other side. Now let's fold this into the half. You can see this line, and now let's put our fingers in this little pocket, and pull it out till you get the edge, like this. And same with the other side too. Here is our house. You can make windows over here, and I will love to do that. So let me do that. Isn't it looking nice? Here's the gates. Open up gates. This is not like a normal gate which you open like this. These special gates. You can also make them stand. Now let's make another type of house. So for that, we will fold it into half. Squeeze out. 1 minute. I got the wrong grip. And fold it into another half. We get a small square. Now you have to just open this fold, but just let this fold. Now fold it this way, sides, and here there's like a pocket, so one side you have to leave this way. Open it and pull out. I have named it the double house because this is one house and this is one more house, and this is like a house. Nice house. Now we'll make it stand. Right, just slightly open it. stands. Now let's make 2 windows for this as well. Make it here. And this, make it this. Here it is. Now we will make a boat. After we make both the boats, we will set up our farm. So to make the boat, fold it into half. And half this way. You get a small square. Now this way, if you hold it, there are 4 flaps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So fold one flap side, edge to edge, and the other 3 flaps this side. 3 plus 1, 4. Now here's a pocket. Yes or no? Pocket. So take your 2 thumbs in the middle of the pocket and pull it. So it will turn like this. Press it. Press it a little harder because this is too much paper. But now there are a few flaps which you can pull. Pull it! Why are you waiting? Guys, pull. And bring it till this edge. Now for the neatness, what you have to do is, it's not coming out neat, so you will keep it and the hole so you can easily flatten it up. And then open it up again, because that will give that normal boat shape. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is like a dream. Now let's make a knife boat. For this, we have to first fold it into half. And now on one side, you will fold this like this. And same with the other flap. Now we will bring it side like this. And here there are 2 flaps. And this is a pocket. So fold this flap inside the pocket like this and press it, crease it as if it's one. And this flap this side. Let's see, here it's not equal. So I will push it a little bit more. This is very nice. Now there are here 2 pockets, but you have to open the second pocket like this and pull it up. And similarly, like the other boat, you have to hold it. Had neat in it. But here there will be only one flap to pull. While the other boat, there were 3 flaps. Sail, sail, sail a boat all through the streams, from the little rivers and lakes to the big, big seas. From near by the trees and from near the bees and near the trees, this boat will go swimming. Here and there, oh here and there, it will go running. Now let's set up our farm with all these houses and boats and animals and all our origami work we have done till now. Let's put two houses. Here the dog is standing. And here the pig is standing. And the cat is here. And the boats are here. The nice boat would not stand. That's why you can put it in water and it will float nicely. You can give push to this thing. It will make the knife float merrily, more merrily than this. And make sure that when you're putting Mr. Fox, he does not eat up any of these animals. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. Oink oink, oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, Bo-bo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cat, meow meow purr purr. And the fox always keeps hiding and seeing all these animals. And he decides that he would go on a boat to the farmhouse and eat up all the animals. You can play like this, how I played just now, and enjoy playing with your origami animals. It's so much fun. Bo, bo, bo. I bark. You oink. Barks are better than oinks. We can make some fights like these. Little fights. If you like my video, give a thumbs up. Subscribe and share so that other people in your house can see and make. It's gonna be really fun playing. You just can't think of it. It's so fun.